This is real or fake? Let's find out. First, get a glass. Now fill it with water.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now get 2 batteries. Now place it this way. Changing the position, but cannot see any change. Still no observations. Let's try making a difference. Now get salt and mix it water glass. Now try again. The water droplet is not visible. Changing the position, but cannot see any change. No results.it was fake video.